Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do deposit photos review, and it will be more over AppSumo deal review because there are some nuances about how this deal structured, and I will show you all of those. So you will see if you can use this tool in your business or not. First of all, regarding software, it is pretty solid, stock website. You can have access to photos, vectors, illustrations, videos, music, and sound effects. You can find some topic like yoga. When you scroll down, you will have more detailed variations like yoga exercise. And of course, you will be able to download images in high resolution. Let's check other topic. Crypto. And again, a lot of images on the topic. And you can check some specific topics, for example, crypto mining. And now you have more specific images. So getting back to AppSumo deal itself, deposit photos came back for a Black Friday sale, and they were present on AppSumo some time ago. And as of moment of this review, this is not a traditional lifetime deal where, for example, you get 30 images monthly, which are being renewed every month. With this deal in particular, you're getting a one-time purchase. For example, for single code, you have 100 photos and vectors only, not music or videos. And you can increase the number of downloads, for example, to 500. But again, it is one-time purchase. Those credits to download these images will not renew. Those will not expire as well, but those will not renew. And moreover, the deal relates only to standard license. And let me show you the details about standard license. I've loaded that into FRI AI Assistant to get summary quicker. By the way, I will leave the link to FRI in the description. And please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Okay, so let's take a look at the license limitations. First of all, standard license is not covering music. You are getting access only to images and vector files. And if we will look at the limitations specifically for images and vectors, there are a few. And I think the major one is that you cannot resale images and distribute those free, where initial file from deposit photo plays a major role in your distribution. So for example, you can use these images in a website. However, if you create something using images from deposit photos, basically you cannot resell that creation or distribute that free. For example, as I understand, for download. And if we will click visit source, we will see these statements in the original license documents from deposit photo. So images and vectors are not for resale or free distribution. And one more limitation to standard license is on quantity of impressions up to 500,000. And here, honestly, I don't know how it is being controlled. This moment is unclear, and I didn't see that in the questions or answers on AppSumo. And regarding permitted use with standard license, here are the use cases. For example, you can use images in your sites, advertising banners. Basically, I think it covers major use cases where you can use that for digital use and for printed use. And I will also leave the link in the description to license comparison chart where deposit photos compare standard versus extended license. AppSumo codes give you standard license, so you can see for yourself what will be allowed. And as I understood, 500K is the number of impressions, but honestly, I don't know how they will control that. Anyway, by the link in the description, you will find this chart where you can see all the details for allowed usage for yourself. All right, so moving to the conclusion, what is my take on deposit photos? I think at the moment, the deal structure for deposit photos is not the best one. I believe previously they had a traditional lifetime deal on AppSumo where they had a number of photos which were renewing monthly. However, they're returning to AppSumo a few times. They are established business already, so they have chosen to structure this deal in this particular way this time. Anyway, if you would like to try deposit photos, the link will be in the description. And few more thoughts. If you need stock images, for example, for blogging, I think ideally you would better need a blog writing tool where stock images are integrated into writing process. For example, here is BlogAssistant application, which was available on AppSumo some time ago, where you can search for Pixabay, Pexels, and Unsplash images during your blog post creation and use those images. And one more recent example where stock images are nicely integrated into content creation application. It is Slice Knowledge. With this tool, you can create your e-learning modules and materials. I reviewed this tool and, for example, created this recipe book. And right within this tool, you can select your stock images from Pexels, Unsplash, Giphy, and even create with their built-in AI. So, for example, I would like to find an image of granola bowl with bananas. I can choose high quality and get very nice looking image and use that in my learning materials. Alright, so that concludes Deposit Photos deal review. All links you can find in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.